Distributors. If your profit calculation stops at buy price minus sell price, it is missing the costs most likely to erase the deal. Real distributor profit comes from three operating disciplines: correct orders, faster working capital turns, and service customers' value. A factory relationship can support them, but cannot promise the result. Start with order quality. Before quoting, verify airflow, pressure, voltage, duty pattern, air treatment, and installation conditions. Confirm the configuration and its limits. That work can prevent reconfiguration, repeat freight, downtime, warranty disputes, and extra technician hours. One avoidable mistake can consume an attractive price spread. Next, manage the speed of your money. Attractive markup means little if a unit sits in stock, needs long financing, or misses the customers your team can reach. Build the first product mix around verified applications already in your pipeline. A broad catalog is not permission to overstock. Inventory turns, payment timing, and freight exposure belong beside unit price. Third, define value after delivery. Customers may need commissioning guidance, maintenance planning, consumables, spare parts, and a clear route for technical questions. Organizing those tasks can strengthen the customer relationship. Responsibilities, warranty, documents, response process, and commercial conditions must be confirmed case by case. Repeat business is earned through support, never guaranteed by the first sale. Use a contribution ledger for every opportunity, from selling price, deduct equipment, international and local freight, financing, inventory time, customer acquisition, configuration risk, warranty exposure, service labor, and spare parts commitments. The remainder is closer to the operating result than the headline spread. If you distribute or service industrial equipment and want to evaluate a factory partnership, send your country, business type, industry experience, current brands or products, target customers, and service capability. Contact details are in the description.